So guys, I promised you I was going to do a part 2. So I'm going to be doing the part 2 of finding squishies. So I was so bored today. I just got my squishy box collection and dumped all of them out. So we're going to be counting how many squishies I have. And we're going to be finding them too. So plus, now you guys see that I'm in a different rooms. So yeah, this is my toy room. So yeah, that's why I said my name. And I have lots of squish animals. Well, anyways, this is a homemade squishy I made that says my brother's name, my name, my mom's, and my dad's. And it's homemade. So yeah. And these are my two Tabo squishies I have. And these are the most alright squishies I have. And a real Nido. And this squishy. So come on, let's find some squishies with me. So guys, my parents are watching Like a Need, so don't mind the TV, just mind about me. So yeah, I'm just gonna start. And plus my friend made the paper nails for me. Well, this is a really big bit. There's no squishies in here. In here, nothing. Where should I find squishies? In my toy room. So yeah, let's check in my study drawers. This is full of books, so I can't open it. This books. Okay. Can't find any. Well, yeah, guys, I can't find a squishy today. So I'm going to be making a video of me unboxing a squishy that I ordered. So yeah, see you then. Bye, guys. And another, I might be doing part 3 of finding more squishies in my house. Bye, guys, again.